Hello everyone, welcome to Design First YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make plant management app design in Adobe XD. So first open your Adobe XD, then select iPhone 11 X Pro. Now go to the file option and save as. Then rename it to the plant management app design. Now select your text tool and type any dummy text. Now select the text, align the text center, then align it within the frame. Now change the font into Poppins, then give it a size of 34 and style semi-bold. Now change the color into black. Now bring the vector from the asset. So what is asset? Asset is what we use in videos like icon images. You can download the asset from the link in the description. I have downloaded it, so I have it in my desktop. So let's drag it. Go to the page 1 and drag page 1 all icons. Now set the leaf icon properly. Now align the vector. Then bring the scroll bar icon and arrange them properly. Now select the shape tool and create a rectangle of width 314 and height 65. Give it a curve of 20 and remove the border. Then change the color. Now align it properly and then arrange it. Now select your text tool and type let's go. Change the style into medium and size 24. And change the color into white. Now select artboard tool and select an artboard iPhone 11 X Pro. Now go to the asset and bring the page to asset. Now bring the menu and the notification icon on the artboard and align it properly. Then again select the text tool and type hello. Then change the color and style, give it regular and size 21. Then again select text tool and type Alisa. Change the style into semi-bold and size 28 and change the color into black. Then bring the wave icon and align it properly. Now select the shape tool and create a rectangle of width 331 and height 60. Then give it a curve of 30 and change the border color and give it a border size 2. Now bring the search bar icon and align it center within the rectangle and again select the text tool and type search here. Then change the style into regular and size 14. Then change the color and align it properly. Bring it little bit down. Then again select the shape tool and create a rectangle of width 325 and height 140. Then give it a curve of 24 and arrange it properly. Now remove the border and change the color through color dropper. Now bring the another icon and set it properly. Again select the text tool and type dummy text. Now change the style into semi-bold and left align the text. Change color into white and arrange it properly. Now select the ellipse tool and create an ellipse of 48 width and height. Arrange it properly and remove the border. Now again change the color. Use repeat grid to duplicate the circle. Now change the circle height width into 42. Then change the color into white. Align it within the circle. Again select text tool and type OK and change the color into black. Align it within the circle. Again select the text tool and type any dummy text. Change the font into Segoe UI and change the color into white. Align it properly. Now select the shape tool, create a rectangle, give width 325 and height 68 and curve 18. Arrange it properly. Then remove the border and change the color. Now bring the image, arrange it properly. Now select text tool and type arugula and change the color. Now change the font into Poppins and style semi-bold. Now change the size into 15 and align it properly. Now bring the clock icon and arrange it properly. Then select the text tool and type any dummy text. Then change the font into Segoy UI and size 10. Now again change the color and align it properly. Now select rectangle images and use repeat grid and give equal spacing. Now arrange everything. Now ungroup grid and do the same with other. Retype it and replace the image and the text. Now select the shape tool and create a rectangle of 375 width and height 65. Remove the border and give it a drop shadow. Give y-axis -3 and change the opacity into 10 and give it a blur of 10. Now bring the icon in the artboard and arrange it properly. Give equal spacing. Select all icons. Right click and select group option. Now use stack feature and give horizontal spacing 71. Now select the shape tool and create a rectangle. Then remove the border and give it a fill of linear. Now do the opacity 0 of first color and second one change the color. So this is the final look of our design. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries and feedback, you can comment down. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe.